This is a 2018 Chevy Silverado, Z71 four-wheel drive, double cab, LT with the Texas edition on it. It's got the upgraded 20-inch rims and the 6-inch wide running boards. Has a power sliding rear glass, reverse parking sensors. So this is actually a 2LT with the LT Plus package on it. So it gives you a few of those extra little creature comforts. Goodyear Wrangler tires. You can see the running boards. Nice good platform. Texas edition emblems. They're not turned on, but it does have HID headlights, LED daytime running lights, and LED fog lights. So the whole front end is nice, crisp, clear, white lighting. So it's really, really nice looking at night. Got the backup camera. Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, MyLink system, dual zone climate controls, power adjustable pedals. There's a cab light, parking sensor light, 110 volt port, 12 volt port, and a cubby. See, it's got Bluetooth, just over 16,000 miles, cruise control, four-wheel drive, automatic headlights. Up top, you get the built-in garage door opener, power sliding glass, LED map lights, OnStar. Got a dual glove box, nice little rubber mats. Pop it outside. Got the power windows, locks, and side mirrors on that driver door. It's also got the power adjustable driver and passenger seats. Black cloth, non-smoker. It is a double cab, like I said, so it's a little bit smaller back seat. If you have any questions, let us know.